Welcome to Jay's Daily Pre-Market Briefing for Monday, March the 12th, 2018. Starting off with crude oil today. Be aware crude oil should roll later this week. But for now, this key area, once again, I've made some slight adjustment to it. It was 62.10 to 62.90 before and 62.69. It's 62.15 to 62.89. That's the key zone for today. So for today, if we get back below 62.15, look for further retracement, and probably we would go down to the 59s and 58s. However, for today, probably 60 or 61 would be a reasonable target, either of those levels to the downside, depending upon how volatile it is. There's not much news scheduled for Monday, so I don't think it's going to be extremely volatile. The other possibility is we get above 62.89. If we get above 62.89, we've discussed this before, I would expect crude oil to be going much higher, up to the 66s and 67s. But for today, above 62.89, you could look at targeting 63.96 or 64.88. We're going to focus on the indices since those rolled in the free video today. Since they rolled last week, let's check in on the Nasdaq here. Nasdaq, big move up once we got above 70.21 quarter, which was there was a previous swing high in that area. It really took off. So for today, the key area of support on the Nasdaq is going to run from 70.51.75 to 70.94. As long as we stay above that, look for higher pricing, the possibility of getting up to 73.41.75. However, if we get below 70.51, then I'd be looking for a larger retracement down to 69.04 quarter to that 68.57.50 zone, which we had been looking at last week. And once we got some sure footing above that, the market sure took off from there. Moving on to the YM. YM back above the 25,000 handle. So look for the YM to continue up. For today, I'd be looking, there's some minor levels I've got at 25,590 and 638. However, the major area you want to be concerned with will be the challenge of that previous, there was a February swing high there, as you can see, late February. And that's 25,834 to 25,880. So generally speaking, I'm expecting the market to continue up today. However, if we were to come back down and get below 25,207, then I think a retest of 25,012 is in play, and possibly even the zone down there that we have 24,721 to 24,747. However, for today, the areas closest by 25,590, 25,638, and then below us 25,236 to 207. Those are the ones closest by for now. But generally speaking, I'm expecting the Dow Emini futures to continue to the upside today. We belong to the ES. The ES right now at a very critical level. As you can see, this was also a February swing high on the ES that we're challenging. We broke through it. The key will be, can we stay above the 27.97? If we can stay above 27.97, then for today, upside targets, you'd be looking at 28.13 quarter and 23 half. If we get back below 27.92 quarter, you'd be looking at 27.72, and then possibly all the way back down to that 27.41, although I wouldn't expect that to happen today, but you never know. That 27.41 quarter to 24.38.75 zone may be important, but I don't think it will be today. So look at the levels closest by for today, 27.72 to the downside. If we get back below 27.92 quarter, if we stay above 27.97, your target's 28.13 quarter and 28.23 half. So that's your daily pre-market briefing for Monday, March the 12th. Trade well, control risk. I hope all of you had a great weekend, and remember that in Canada and the United States, the time change has occurred, so you'll be losing an hour of sleep, unfortunately. But I hope you can make that up during the week, and we'll see you in the next video. Take care, everyone. Bye for now.